So this is a shop. It is a 30 by 40 with 12-foot tall walls on it. Here we are inside. And this is the current temperature in here. This is the heater here. See, it's 135,000 BTUs. Super simple. We'll just turn this thermostat up here. We'll go 90. And then flip the power switch. Little to no odor coming out of it, and I'm running number 2 diesel from the pump. Fires right up, puts out a tremendous amount of heat. Crank up, this thing's still running. Now we are above 70, and it's probably about 40 minutes, 45 minutes at the most. Works wonderfully.